Hey guys, it's Skip Kelly. Welcome to the channel. This is the first of 6 or 7 videos that are going to come out over the next week using the brand new Sony A7 III, and I'm rolling with 2 lenses to test it out at my first event. This is Mindvalley, their event called A-Fest. Currently we're in Sardinia, Italy. There's about 350 people attending the event. Very high level, high ticket price, and we're gonna have a ton of fun, a lot of auditorium time, a lot of learning, but also a lot of fun outdoor activities, things by the beach, a lot of dynamic range situations. So I'll really be testing it out in its fullest, a lot of B-roll, a lot of talking head, a lot of story development. So I don't really know what's gonna happen yet, but there will be 5 to 7 videos over the course of the next week because I do a daily. I'm really excited about the Sony so far. It's been amazing, but here's the first video. Go ahead and check it out. This is my second A-Fest attending, and I had a few questions I really wanted to answer through this weekend. The first being, why does anyone choose to come to A-Fest? What are we really gonna learn here? What's the deep education? Most people come to A-Fest for the amazing communities, the amazing friends they've made over the years, and just the incredible level of people. I mean, it really is the gathering place for some of the greatest minds on earth. And every year, I'm so impressed with the amazing locations that they put A-Fest in, because a lot of us are such driven people in life that we don't take time to make amazing vacations happen for ourselves. So gladly, Mindvalley and Vision do that for us here at A-Fest. Why did you come back? Why do you come to A-Fest?
I came back for community, for tribe, for connecting with like-minded people that are making fucking brilliant things in the world.
Well, but welcome to the tribe.
Thank you. And I am
The energy that we expend controlling ourselves to match the expectations of others is draining us. It's like having this app in the back of your iPhone that's sucking the battery life out. And when you give yourself permission to be self-expressed, you release all that energy, and it's a completely different way of living.
Before this starts, I'm going to break down what's happening. Eric Edmeades is doing a pre-day workshop where he's teaching people how to be visual, auditory, and kinesthetic with their speaking, and they're about to practice that. So you'll see 3 very, very different versions of how they're going to do this.
I was the only foreigner, so of course this.
I go out.
I need to watch the US. And what's up to fears? And I get here, I got my room checked.
And he's really trying to give them something that they can take, they can use this weekend when they're talking with people, meeting new friends, and when they go back into their businesses. So this is extremely applicable stuff. And for a lot of people, being loud, being like a visual speaker is very, very challenging. And for some people, being a kinesthetic speaker can be extremely.
Are you guys committed to practicing full spectrum communication through the entire
Yeah, this is the perfect
Yep.
way to start.
This is
A-Fest.
exactly how I want to
How you
show.
travel with a pregnant wife so you can carry everything. So even if she wants to carry stuff, you go, no, I will carry everything.
Get it.
Like 100 on
So the thing that blew me away about Eric and Vision's workshop was that they were essentially giving away everything they've learned about expanding and scaling Mindvalley as a company.
Yeah, it was unbelievable. I think I took like 20 pages of notes.
Can you show me these 20 pages of notes?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my, that's one workshop?
Tons of notes.
Hope you guys enjoyed that. We're getting ready to start A-Fest, day 1 today. I'll see you tomorrow.